Hello everyone, today I am going to show you a subwoofer box that came with our SONY WEGA TV. So let's start it, but I have already done the teardown of this, so I will show you how I did this. So here the subwoofer was placed. So I will show you the subwoofer a little bit later, but let's see inside first. So it was 14 screws to take it off from the back, and here is the cable, you can see, and there is the enclosure for the bass response, and here is the opening. So you can see the back. Yeah, there are some rubber dampening to reduce vibrations, 4 of them. Yeah, okay, so now I am going to show you the subwoofer. Yeah, so you can see here is the subwoofer, and it is okay, but not the best build quality there, and not the high quality subwoofer. These are not rubber, you can see, and it was very old, and like 10 to 12 years old, and it was so dirty, and I cleaned this up. So here is the case where the subwoofer was placed before, and it was like that. Yeah, it was like that. Okay, so you can see the readings there at the back. It is a SONY branded subwoofer, and the model number is there. It is a 4 ohm 20 watt subwoofer. So I can check that in my multimeter. So let's try it. Yeah, you can see there it's 3.6, so close to 4 ohm, but before that with the on meter cable there it was showing 4.1 ohm, so a little bit difference there. So now I am going to put this back there, and I will show you after that, so stay tuned. I want to mention one thing, that there are some holes because of the dust, so I put some glue there to cover them, but I think it was working well. So let's get forward.
Looks like we've come to the end of the road. There's no point in running away now. I'd rather sleep until the storm is gone. She'd rather be shooting at me now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
Okay, so it is done, but so many screws, so that's took some time. Okay, so here is the offer. You can see what it looks like. Okay, so later I will show you after when I will play some songs in the TV, so we'll be back right then.